I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a massive Dollar Tree haul. So if you want to see the products that I purchased in this time, in this trip, just keep on watching. Before that, don't forget I also do have a Dollar Tree playlist where I post a lot of Dollar Tree hauls. I do full faces as well as ranking videos, all types of Dollar Tree videos that you can think of I have in that playlist, so definitely check that out. It's going to be the description box below. And with that, let's just get into it. So let's just talk like miscellaneous first. Some like bathroom essentials. We have the Dermasil Extra Moisturizing Hand Wash. So I came across this. I think I've purchased things from Dermasil. Honestly, it sounds like a familiar brand to me, but I cannot remember what I tried. But again, it says Extra Moisturizing Hand Cream, enriched with moisturizing and Dermasil formula, leaves skin feeling clean and soft with a pleasant cherry almond scent. Really cute. Honestly, I didn't even think of opening this to smell it in store, so let's do that now. It's like a white creamy kind of color. It smells cute. It's nice and pleasant, you know, nothing crazy. So we're definitely gonna have to try this out and see my thoughts, but why not? I like to try different hand soaps from the Dollar Tree just to check them out, as well as like body washes and all that stuff. So I went ahead and picked up the Dermasil hand wash, and we're gonna see how this works. Please let me know in the comments, have you tried it? Is it good? Is it not? Does it suck? Tell me please, before I start using this, so I can get a little bit of thoughts on it. But yeah, we have that. We also came across these. Again, when I say we, I mean me and Chris. We were also with my family, so we as a unit came across these Barbie products. So they're dental kind of line. So cute, from Brush Buddies. I guess it came out with a Barbie collection. So I came across the Brush Buddies Barbie Anti-Cavity Fluoride Toothpaste, and it is a gummo. What is gummo? Bubble gum flavored, and it helps prevent cavities. So cute. And you know, I had to pick this up as soon as I saw Barbie. I was like, girl, how cute is this packaging? And I also came across the Barbie Anti-Cavity Fluoride Mouthwash. It says alcohol and sugar free, paraben free, and it's also bubble gum flavored. Look at how stunning this is. It's so cute. I was so excited when I came across this collection, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these products in the restroom so I can use them as soon as possible. But girl, they came out with the Barbie collection and I was shocked. I was shooketh. I was like, oh my gosh. Oh, no wonder they also came out with the flossers. No wonder. Those are the flossers I always purchase from Dollar Tree as well. They're Barbie theme, also from Brush Buddy. So how cute. So since we are heading into the new year, they already started with the Valentine's things at Dollar Tree. They have, it's like Valentine's Day has erupted in the Dollar Tree. Everything is Valentine's Day. They also have a Easter section. Easter, and we haven't even gotten into the new year, which is crazy. But I did see these cute socks, and these are the Sweethearts, the original socks, and they were $125. So these are so cute, and they look like those little candies that people receive on Valentine's Day. Sweethearts, these are so cute, and they have like little sayings on them. So I did go ahead and pick up this, and it says to and from on the back, so I guess you can gift it to someone. I guess that's like what it was for, but I picked it up for myself. So yeah, you can never have too many cute socks in your collection. So there's a look at those. I also came across this product. We went to two different Dollar Tree locations. That's what I purchased. This is everything I purchased from both, and they had a couple of these mirrors. So it just says mirror, one piece, and it came in different colors as well. So I went ahead and picked up the purple one. Ooh, and it has a little like backing. Okay girl, that is really cute. So I went ahead and picked up this mirror. Now we're gonna get into like the skincare or like lip care section. I actually did buy two of the Carmex classic lip balm. It's medicated. It looks really cute. So actually I've always seen these at Dollar Tree, I just never pick it up. So I thought I'd pick up two of them and see my thoughts. You guys know I love a good moisturized lip before bed, so I went ahead and picked this up, and honestly it's really good. I already started using my other one. Yes, I think this is gonna be my new fave lip balm from Dollar Tree. I love how it's just like super moisturizing. I love the little like applicator, how it's like circular. Also, it just gives me a like it's weird. It makes my lips feel almost like numb, but it gives me like I don't know if that's a good thing, but I may be allergic and I don't know. Anyway, it almost makes my lips feel numb. That's how moisturized they are. I don't know how to explain it, but this is really good. So I'm gonna keep buying it, and we will be using these because it's really good. And the last thing for like skincare products, we have Global Beauty Care. We have some more face masks. I keep buying them. I'm not using them. I need to start using them, girl. We need to do some like self-care videos here or on my TikTok or something. But I went ahead and picked up 2 of the Global Beauty Care Smoothing Banana Sheet Masks. It has collagen and HAs, and it says you're supposed to keep it on for 15 minutes. So it's a 15-minute face mask, and banana just sounded so like moisturizing to the skin, so I went ahead and bought 2 of these. Let's get into the nail products. You guys know I always have to pick up press on nails. They're amazing, but I saw this in the nail section. This is the Must Have Beauty premium quality 2-piece nail art tools. So it came with these 2 here. What are they for? Multi-purpose dual tip tools, and I think it's just like to push the cuticles inward. That's what I thought they were. Yeah, they're like silicone kind of vibes. There's a look at the pink one, and then we have the blue one. So it looks like each one has like a different kind of like tip to it. So I thought it was like to push down your cuticle. That's what I'm guessing it's for, but I guess you can use it for different things. Let me know what do you use these for, but I'm thinking it's for your cuticles. And I love the blue and pink moment. That's adorable. I had to grab this. This is the Beauty Intuition nail polish in pink glitter. It looks stunning. So usually these are not the best nail polishes in the world, but it's just like, how can I not? It's pink glitter. You just never know. And this is long lasting, high shine, not tested on animals, which is amazing. Let's go ahead and get it out of the packaging. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. It's stunning. Okay, yes. Live for the packaging too. It's really cute. I also came across some press-on nails, girl. Yes. Yes. Okay. So let's start off. Ooh, girl, I almost lost one. Okay. Let's start off with this. I don't know why I awkwardly bought 3. Oh, because I already have one. Okay, yes. So I went ahead and bought 3 of the same style of these Sevenail press-on nails, and these, if you guys recall from my one of my other Dollar Tree hauls, I picked up one of these and I could not find another one. And I love to buy 2 sets because each one comes with 12. I like to have the 24 pack so I can match my nails and have the same sizes on both hands. So I came across these pink nails again, and I bought 2 so I can have that one set, and then one to go with that set that I already had. I don't know, it makes sense in my mind. Yeah, this set just looked beautiful, and I know myself, I'm definitely gonna be living for the pink nails. So I went ahead and picked up those, picked up 3. I picked up 2 of these from Salon Perfect, and these are the Modern French Neon Nail Set, and it comes with these pink ombre nails. They just looked stunning. So again, I bought 2. I never look at the style. What is the style name? No specific names. It just says the length is long. They're long coffin, cool pink color, and it has a gloss finish. That's all it says, but there's no specific name to them. But these are really cute. Part of their neon nail set, which I also did buy some green ones as well in my Dollar Tree haul that I literally filmed like 2 days ago. I also bought another Salon Perfect nail set. This is part of their Modern Nostalgia set, and they look so cute. So this is no nail tick needed, and it comes with 30 nails in here. It comes with a nail file and a glue, which I love using. My Kiss nail glue I just always have, but these looked really fun, so I went ahead and purchased this set as well. Last section of today's haul, we have makeup. So I have seen these in the past. I don't think I ever like actually bought it. I don't know what happened, but this is the Santee foundation. This is a BB Beauty Balm liquid foundation, perfect cover in the shade 01. So I hope this matches me, but it looks a little dark. I don't know. We're gonna have to try it out in a full face up Dollar Tree soon, but I have not opened this. Oh my goodness, what is going on? I think it comes with a pump, doesn't it? Yes, okay. I'm like, I know that's not the way it's supposed to look. Okay, so it does come with a pump applicator. We're gonna have to test this out again in a video, but Okay, we have another product from Beauty Intuition, and it is one of their lip glosses. This looks so cute. So I was like, girl, why not take this? It's the one in rose pink. I don't know if they had any other shades, but this says it has a smooth application and it's moisturizing and hydrates. So I went ahead and picked up this lip gloss. Ooh, I love the packaging. Ooh, it has some like iridescence to it. Okay, girl. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh, okay, Beauty Intuition. That is so cute. Now that we're here, let's go ahead and see how this looks, the foundation. Do a little squirt. I think it's gonna be too dark for me, to be honest. Oh, yeah, we're gonna see. We're gonna have to make it work. Next, we have a product from Be Pure, and this is a concealer. This is the Be Pure Blemish Concealer for acne prone skin in the shade Nude, and this is their clarifying line. So I think I also bought, I believe in the past Dollar Tree haul that I did, I bought one of their pressed powders. But they only had dark shades, so I bought one to like bronze with, and then I also do have some of their products from their like foundation line or something. So I came across this and I was like, yes girl, yes please. It almost looks like weird. It has like the drugstore products. It's like a medicine vibe. It says, discover the benefits of using a blemish concealer. Provides beautiful coverage. Oh, so you just put it on your blemishes? It says helps to treat blemishes, used for extra coverage on any imperfection. Interesting. Oh, cute. Let's go ahead and swatch it. So you just kind of go like so, and then the product comes out. Oh, finally. Okay, there we go. There we go. Ooh, okay, that's a really good color for concealer. Okay, cutesy, can't wait to use that. I also came across 3 liners from Beauty Intuition. Beauty Intuition's like really stepping it up, and they're coming for us. They came out with 3 different liquid liners. We have the Bold Eye Catching Felt Tip Eyeliner, which is their white tone. Also have the black, which is their Bold Eye Catching Felt Tip. Wait, do they have the same name? Oh, okay, I thought they had like different names or something. No, they're all their bold eye-catching eyeliners. We have black, brown, and white. No, so it doesn't have the brown on here. We're gonna have to remember that this is from Beauty Intuition. Okay, so there's a look at the white. Let's go ahead and swatch her. Cute. Brown, they all just say eyeliner on them. Ooh, the brown one looks nice. The black, again, eyeliner. What just happened? I'll try not to freak out because the black is the one that I was the most excited about. Black liner. Nothing. It's just a applicator. Literally has like no product in here. What? How does that even work? So we have a brown and a white, which is great because the black one, we're not going to talk about her. Okay, so interesting. So they look really promising. The brown is going to be a goodie. I can tell it's dark, it's pigmented. So oh my god, I cannot believe. Okay, and they already dried down. Wow. Okay, cute. Girl, how does that happen? Anyway, I'm just gonna move on. I'm not gonna think about it too much. That is what it is. So that was the last product from today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts on these products. Have you tried any of them? Should I mean, am I gonna love in them? Am I gonna hate them? Let me know in the comments your thoughts on them. Don't forget to check out the playlist that I mentioned earlier. It's gonna be down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.